So in this video, I'm going to show you how to request a role as an early childhood educator within your program. And you're going to have to send a request to your director, and then that request will be approved by them. So of course, the first thing that you're going to do is log into your TNPAL.org account. And from there, you are going to go to your profile. So when you log in, you'll be routed to your dashboard, and then you'll click on My Profile. And that's right next to the little green icon of a person. You're gonna go over to your employment tab, and you're gonna fill that out. So this is probably what you did when you set up your account the first time you logged in, but I'll walk you through it just in case you haven't done this part yet. Now, I've already gone in and added this when I set up this account, but for the sake of showing you how to do this, I'm gonna go in and edit it so you can see just how it would look if you were setting it up yourself for the first time. So I'm gonna go click the edit button, and I'll change this all so you can see what I mean. So what I'll do is I'll go in and I'll say, is this experience with an early child care agency regulated? Yes, of course. Is it operating? Of course. And then I'll go and I'll say Signal Centers Child Care, because that's where I work. I'm employed full-time. I'll click that from the drop-down menu. If you were part-time, you would select that. I am an educator, which is something that I can select from the drop-down menu. Of course, the address is pre-populated, so I don't have to do that. I am currently working in this role. I am the primary educator. No, I'm not. There are lots of other educators that work with me, and I don't have responsibilities for transporting children. I'm going to go in here and I'm going to say that my employment started on February 1st, 2021, and then I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And then you'll have to wait for a second for that to populate into this little table here. And now you can see it. So now that you have your employment in here, you're going to want to request a role as an educator within your childcare. So what you're going to do then is you're going to go to the 3 dots, and that means additional actions. You can see down here, that's what these 3 dots mean. So you're going to click on that, and you're going to request a staff role. Now it's important that you request this so that you can talk to your director, and you have all of your so you can talk to your director and you'll be able to communicate just within your organization. So it's important that you do this. So click on request staff role. You're going to say okay on this, and now you need to wait for your director to approve that. I would definitely contact them, give them the heads up, say that you have requested this, and then they can go in and approve that action. Once your director goes in and approves this role, you will see a green check mark where there is currently a hourglass. So that will change, and that's how you will know that you have been approved as a role within the organization. Once that's approved, you will have your role as an educator within your childcare. And you can use this if you are not an educator. Any of the roles that you need to request is the same process. So that's the best way and the quickest way to request a role using TNPAL. Thanks again for using TNPAL. If you have any other questions, be sure to check out our other YouTube tutorials or contact the TNPAL help desk.